herbs are basically special foods. I start out my herb course saying that because it's true. An herb is a special food. And it's different from a supplement. Supplement is not a special food. It's basically a manufactured thing. Sometimes many of those supplements are synthetic. But herbs are special foods, and as foods, it means that our body is equipped and knows how to deal with them best. The liver, particularly, is a very important organ in dealing with what you put into your gut. Because the liver is like an alchemist. It produces probably so many different types of enzymes and biochemical substances that neutralize toxins and poisons and processes these things. And so when something hits your gut that's unfamiliar, the liver goes to work to figure out how to use it. It scratches the livery head and say, what do I do with you? And usually it does pretty well. Now the liver can get overburdened. I'm not edging for sexist issues here, but I think of the liver as being like a secretary, where all the tasks are passed on, and the person says, file it, file it, file it, file it.